Everybody, what's up? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Today's video is going to be an interesting video. We got a tool review, another Bauer tool. If you guys see my previous video, we had the Bauer grinder. As you can tell, the box is a nice presentation. It comes with a charger and a battery. So this is the lower end, cheaper battery. But we got the more expensive battery for the grinder, and we're gonna use this one as well. This battery's dead completely because it's been in the box for decades. But we're gonna use that one too. So we're gonna open up the box. So when you go get something to open up the box, like a key or something, box, I'm gonna open up the top. Alright guys, so this is a Bauer 20-volt hyper lithium battery. It includes a 1.5 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag, and then the actual drill, which is I think it's like a 1/4 inch. Yep, 1/4 inch impact driver kit. So we're gonna pull the bag out. Alright, so everything comes in the bag. So this is actually a nice bag. I mean, honestly, if you honestly look at it, that is something I would sport around on job sites and stuff, and I will probably keep this bag just to keep it in the bag. Keep everything where it goes, you know, because it's such a nice bag. Hold on guys, because it's such a nice bag. I like it. I'm gonna keep this bag with everything. Alright, so it comes in with dividers. Everything's good divided up. You got your charger. Oh, I got another charger, a rapid charger. And then you got your battery, and then you got some what is this? Okay, you got some brackets, like a clip for the drill. And I think the battery is probably in the drill. Alright, so here's the drill. And here's the battery. So we're gonna take the drill out. We're gonna look at it. Alright, so we got the bag. So here's the drill. The battery probably works a little bit. I'm not for sure. So here's the drill. Let's see if the battery's on. Yep, battery's charged. So here's the drill. Drill looks pretty good, pretty decent. Nice handle, little nice finish. Like it's called Bauer 20-volt lithium. Nice finish. And with this, you got to pull this out to disengage the lock on the bit. So everything looks pretty good. And then if you look at the battery is nice and decent and everything. And then if you hit this button right here, it lights up and tells you how much charge the battery got. So we're gonna put the battery on. I'm gonna. It's a torque. It has a bunch of torque to it. I can feel it moving. Comes with that. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Slide that off. So I'm slowly building my Bauer, my Bauer connections going on. And you got the rapid charger. We're gonna leave that in the bag because we got a charger already. So overall, the guys, this looks like a pretty decent thing. You got to pull this out. 1/4 inch. I mean, you can't get no better than this. It's heavy duty, heavier up top. It's a pretty good tool from what I told. My dad bought one a while back. Let's see, one thing about this is max torque is 1,300 pounds. RPM is 290. Impact per minute is 3,300. Overall length is 6 3/8. And it's 3.3 pounds. So it's not that heavy. And it's fast charging. And spend less time charging your tool and more time using your tool. So yeah. Oh, and it has LED lights right here. This is a metal gear right here. And I mean, this is just an overall great tool. My dad has one, so I bought one. So yeah. So see the lights. And it's got some good torque. So we're gonna test this out. We got a project. We'll put the drill back in. And we're going to put the battery back in because I think the battery's charged all the way. We're going to zip all this back up. And we're going to carry it to another job. Bauer. Everybody gets with this. We'll have some more tool reviews and everything.